नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंदा. Rejuvenating text 2 and text 3 of chapter 5, Lord Rishabhadev's teachings to his sons of 5th canto, the creative impetus of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 2. Mahat sevam dvaramahura vimuktes tamodvaram yoshitam sangi sangam mahantaste samachittah prashanta vimanyavah Surudah Sadhavo Ye. One can attain the path of liberation from material bondage only by rendering service to highly advanced spiritual personalities. These personalities are impersonalists and devotees. Whether one wants to merge with the Lord's existence or wants to associate with the personality of Godhead, one should render service to the Mahatmas. For those who are not interested in such activities, who associate with people fond of women and sex, the path to hell is wide open. The Mahatmas are equipoised. They do not see any difference between one living entity and another. They are very peaceful and are fully engaged in devotional service. They are devoid of anger and they work for the benefit of everyone. They do not behave in any abominable way. Such people are known as Mahatmas. The human body is like a junction. One may either take the path of liberation or the path leading to a hellish condition. How one can take these paths is described herein. On the path of liberation, one associates with Mahatmas, and on the path of bondage, one associates with those attached to sense gratification and women. There are two types of Mahatmas, the impersonalist and the devotee. Although their ultimate goal is different, the process of emancipation is almost the same. Both want eternal happiness. One seeks happiness in impersonal Brahma and the other seeks happiness in the association of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. As described in the first verse, Brahma Saukhyam. Brahma means spiritual or eternal. Both the impersonalist and the devotee seek eternal blissful life. In any case, it is advised that one become perfect. In the words of Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya 22.87, Asat Sanga Tyaga E Vaishnava Acharya Stri Sangi Eka Asadhu Krishna Bhakta Ara. To remain unattached to the modes of material nature, one should avoid associating with those who are asat materialistic. There are two types of materialists. One is attached to human and sense gratification and the other is simply a non-devotee. On the positive side is association with Mahatmas and on the negative side is the avoidance of non-devotees and woman hunters. Text 3. Ye va maishe krita saurudartha जनेषु देहं भर वार्तिकेषु गृहेषु जायात्मज रातिमत्सु न प्रीतियुक्ता यावदर्थाक्षच लोके. Those who are interested in reviving Krishna's consciousness and increasing their love of Godhead do not like to do anything that is not related to Krishna. They are not interested in mingling with people who are busy maintaining their bodies, eating, sleeping, mating and defending. They are not attached to their homes, although they may be householders, nor are they attached to wives, children, friends or wealth. At the same time, they are not indifferent to the execution of their duties. Such people are interested in collecting only enough money to keep the body and soul together. Whether he is an impersonalist or a devotee, one who is actually interested in advancing spiritually should not mingle with those who are simply interested in maintaining the body by means of the so-called advancement of civilization. Those who are interested in spiritual life should not be attached to homely comforts in the company of wife, children, friends and so forth. Even if one is a gruhastha and has to earn his livelihood, he should be satisfied by collecting only enough money to maintain body and soul together. One should not have more than that nor less than that. As indicated herein, a householder should endeavor to earn money for the execution of Bhakti Yoga, Shravanam Kirtanam, Vishnoha Smaranam, Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam Sakhyam, Atma Nivedanam. A householder should lead such a life that he gets full opportunity to hear and chant. He should worship the deity at home, observe festivals, invite friends in and give them prasad. A householder should earn money for this purpose, not for sense gratification. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.